that would explain why they got the biggest allocation. Is that correct?
It's not about galunggong. It's not species specific. It's about total volume of seafoods landed.
All right. Can you state for the record who are the owners of this TPJ?
The family of the Tiangcos, Mr. Chair.
Congressman Toby Tiangco.
Their family, kasi ang kumpanya na yan was owned by their parents.
Do you not find any conflict of interest, Mr. Secretary, that the Tiangcos are importing the largest fishing agalunggong for this round?
Well, if you want me to really comment on that, I think they deserve what they are getting because they are the pinakamalaking nilaland talaga eh. This is very scientific and everything, so wala akong nakikitang issue.
Well, I'm stating it for the record because Congressman Tiangco is actually a member of the Aquaculture and Fisheries Committee in the last Congress. Hindi ba? So you did not make conflicts of interest checks relating to this.
Sa akin, I've been working in the industry for so long. Yung kumpanya nila is their family has been in fishing for more than 60 years. So it is performance based, Mr. Chair. So technically, kung sino pinakamaraming land, recorded ng PFDA yan, nagbabawal ng buwis yan, so they should get the biggest allocation.
But in the several rounds that you had made importations for galunggong, is it correct to say that this is only the first time that they were like the top importer?
No.
Or were they always the top importer?
Well, during the time of President Duterte, I would have to say na marami doon sa listahan kaya hindi sila naging na botas na overcome ng iba dahil marami ako nakitang problema sa mga landed reports ng that administrations before nung panahon na yon.